Hello, friends. I'm Manakshi Rathod, your C2B coach. Please subscribe my channel and share your comments. It really motivates me and it helps me to pick up the next topic which you would like to discuss or listen on. And press the bell icon to get the latest update on the videos also. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Today's topic, let's discuss about worrying. Nowadays, due to some pandemic situation and uncertainties in life, lot of people worry a lot. And why do we worry? And very simple three tips I'm going to share with you all how to get rid of this unnecessary worrying. So, if we think something might go wrong or some event is coming up, so we naturally worry. It's a very natural emotion, and it's comforting also sometimes. So, when it becomes a problem, why do we need to discuss about it? But sometimes, few people worry so much that they start impacting people around them. So the people around them becomes also very anxious and they do not want to worry, but they end up there worrying buddy. And it start impacting our physical health also. So when becomes so much difficult and create problems in our daily life, then we would like to get rid of this unnecessary habit. So for some people, like if there is some project coming up, new presentation or a business meeting or some important guests are coming at home for dinner, in those scenarios we worry, think about it, make a plan, and prepare things beforehand. And if we need help, we talk to people and get that help. So this is the healthy aspect of worrying. The second thing is people think if they do not worry, things will go wrong. So it's their responsibility to worry about certain things. Because if they are not going to worry, so the situation will go out of hand and it'll be a disaster. So it's really important to worry about certain things. So they keep worrying about it, and it leads to their mental anxiety and deterioration in their physical health also. So, for such people, the very first step is whenever your mind is making you anxious and troubling you, you focus on your body. So, there is a mind and body connection. So, whenever your mind is troubling you, focus on your body and do the physical movement. So, the first step is indulge in the physical exercise. Any kind of physical movement, depending on your strength and your body. So, on days specifically when you are worrying a lot, do not skip on any kind of physical movement. Do physical exercises, especially on those days. Yoga or walking or the health or any kind of household chores also you can do. And just involve in a physical movement. Second tip is set a routine. The challenge is whenever we worry, our mind doesn't allow us to follow any kind of discipline or routine. So, what we can do? We can plan a routine to worry. How can we do that? Whenever any kind of thought or worry thought comes into your mind, say to your mind, I am thankful that you care about me, but let's discuss and talk about it at a certain time. Let's say in the evening or in afternoon or in the morning. Do not do it before going to bed, because when you go to bed with all kind of thoughts, it will disturb your sleep pattern or sleep quality. So do not do that at that time. So do it either in the evening or in afternoon. So set a time aside for 15-20 minutes or half an hour depending on the things that are troubling you. Sit down at a particular location at a particular time for a particular duration and make a list of things which are troubling you. List them down and pick up the things which you can resolve. You can find solution internally, or talking to your family, friends, or any external support, and pick up those things. And rest of the things on your list which you cannot do anything about, just let them go. Just write them down and let it be there. So how will it help? You will worry about thing for a certain time, and rest of the day will be worry free. And believe me, it really works. It sounds so simple and silly, but it really works. So just tell your mind, thank you that you care for me, but let's do this charcha on chai at a particular time. And the third tip is, like I mentioned earlier, whenever your mind troubles you, focus on your body. So, whenever your body troubles you, focus on your mind. But your body is not troubling you. For some, it may not, but usually, whenever you are worrying, your system go haywire. You will feel certain physical symptoms also. You'll feel nausea, you'll feel sinking feeling in your body, and you will feel diarrhea, or your stomach will be upset. You might feel acidity or any kind of stomach related issues you might feel. And this is a very simple trick. Lot of people might be doing it. It's a no brainer actually. Nowadays, lot of people are practicing it. And if you're not practicing it, I highly recommend this one. So, whenever your physical body is troubling you, focus on your mind. And how to focus on your mind? Meditation. Meditation is very simple way to keep your mind healthy. Whenever you're getting up in the morning, your mind can easily go into a meditative state. So that is the best time to meditate. If you cannot do it in the morning, you can choose any time which is comfortable to you. Sit at a comfortable place, in a comfortable posture, in a comfortable clothing, and just meditate. There are a lot of ways of doing meditation, but the simplest way is, one is do the deep breathing, relaxation breathing, and second is just observe your breathing. Whichever feels comfortable to you, you can do that. So, for the deep breathing, you just inhale from your nose and feel your stomach coming out, inflated. And when you breathe out, you breathe out from your mouth and your stomach deflates. It goes inside. Usually nowadays we breathe from our chest. We do not breathe from our stomachs. So when we do a deep breathing from our stomach, it really relaxes our body and calms our mind. And the second thing is, if you do not want to do this one, just do a very simple meditation technique, is just observe your breathing. So when you will sit and observe your breathing, a lot of thoughts will come into your mind. Let them come and let them go, and then bring your focus back to your breathing. You do not have to breathe in a certain pattern or any specific way. Just observe your normal breathing. How you're breathing in, how you're breathing out. A lot of thoughts will come again, let them go again, and bring your focus back to your breathing. So it will keep happening that you will lose focus, you will start focusing on your thought. But whenever that happens, do not worry, just bring your focus back to your breathing. Do this 10 minutes daily and you will feel the difference. So I'll review the three tricks again. One is the physical exercise, any kind of physical movement. Second is set up a routine to worry separately and keep rest of the time as a worry free time. And third is meditation. Any kind of meditation you can choose. And one important tip is, your physical exercise is directly proportional to your amount of worry. So if you worry a lot, you have a lot of things to worry, You need to exercise more. You need to do more physical movement and meditation also. I hope these tips will help you, and please do share and how did it work uh, for you, because it really works wonderfully well for me. It really makes a difference in my day. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next Friday. I'm uploading these videos on Tuesday and Fridays. Please do share your comments. It will help me to make a video on the topics which you would like to listen on. Thank you so much. Bye bye.